Welcome to Session 24, Cumulative Algebra Modeling and Review. Today, you will select an algebraic model from mixed information, combine multiple skills in a defensible solution, and check reasonableness, units, domain, and the quantity requested. Watch the structure, not just the arithmetic, because each move must preserve the meaning of the problem. The visual gives us the central idea. Use the diagram as a decision loop rather than a one-way checklist. If verification fails, return to the representation step and repair the equation, graph, table, or units. Expert problem solving includes this deliberate return path. Use this first move. Understand. Name the unknown, units, restrictions, and exact question. Then, represent. Choose an equation, inequality, system, function, table, or graph. Worked example, mixed linear inequality. A rental costs $24 plus $0.18 per mile. With $60, what is the greatest mileage? Step 1. Model the budget. 24 plus 0.18 meter is less than or equal to 60. Step 2. Subtract 24. 0.18 meter is less than or equal to 36. Divide to get m is less than or equal to 200. Step 3. At 200 miles, the cost is exactly 24 plus 36 equals 60. So 200 is allowed. The final answer is 200 miles. Check that it satisfies the original conditions and carries the correct units. Now it is your turn. A plan costs 24 plus 0.18 meters. With at most $60, what inequality describes m? Pause, write each algebra step, and use the next 6 seconds to finish your solution. Here is the modeled solution. The answer is m is less than or equal to 200. Write 24 plus 0.18 meters is less than equals 60 and isolate m. Verify it against the exact wording before moving on. Session 24 recap. Understand. Name the unknown, units, restrictions, and exact question. Next, represent. Choose an equation, inequality, system, function, table, or graph. Then, solve, show equivalent steps, and use calculator technology strategically. Finally, verify. Substitute, estimate, inspect units, and state a contextual conclusion. A complete solution shows the reasoning, checks the result, and states what the answer means.